How you doing, folks? This is Ross for Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a badass 66 Impala SS done in a slick Tuxedo Black. Cool car here. Clean, solid, all original panel car. All the grill moldings, everything are in excellent condition. Front bumpers all been re-chromed. This car was redone a few years back. It is slick. All the trim on the sides real nice. Car straight down the sides. It's got a set of 18-inch US mag ramblers on it. 18/8 up front, 18x10 out back. It's all ride tech suspension. All the tail lights, all that trim's excellent condition. Rear bumper's been re-chromed as well. All the glass is nice in the car. I'm telling you, it's hard to find nice Impala like this. The original motor was replaced with a GM LS6 454. It's got the winner's intake on it. All the billet Chevrolet valve covers. Power four-wheel disc brakes with drilled slotted rotors. It's got power steering. Again, it's all full ride tech suspension. Front and rear, sway bars, control arms, fully adjustable coilovers. Tell you, all the detail on it, very nice. Got the 12-bolt rear with a posi, 355 gear. This LS6 is backed up with a Muncie 4-speed. All the jams look real nice. The door panels are the older original door panels, excellent condition. It's a new dash pad. The headliner is all new. It was done when they restored the car. Seat covers are all new. It's factory tach engage package, all works. It's got Muncie 4-speed with the Hurst Competition Plus shifter. And again, you can see it's off four-wheel disc. Car sets perfect. Just a killer car. Factory jack spares all there. They moved the battery to the back. Again, this is all original panel car. Super nice. Got a retrofit stereo. Looks original. Tell you, it's just a very cool car. All ceramic coated headers, jewels out the back. It's just it's a cool car right there, and the stance is just killer on it. Looks like they may have a bulb over there on that side out. We'll get that taken care of. Check our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can also visit us at Ross Customs at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Dude, that's a cool car.